The first meeting between the Chief Minister and the recently formed regional committees on border issues was held on 3rd September 2021. During the meeting, a discussion on solutions to the border issues as well as the current COVID situation in the state had been taken up. Chief Minister of Meghalaya CONRAD SANGMA informed the media that he had met member secretaries of the different regional committees on border issues to get the first report of the ground situation in border areas of BHOI, West KHASI Hills and East JAINTIA Hills districts of the state, and also to find an amicable solution to border differences that exist between Assam and Meghalaya. On the current COVID situation in the state, CONRAD SANGMA informed that since cases had fallen considerably as compared to those in the past few weeks, activities across the state have been reopened. He added that the government is looking forward to reopen more such activities so that normalcy can return. But at the same time, the state government, he informed, would closely be monitoring the protocols set against activities that have been recently reopened.
Second, we had a long meeting also on the COVID situation, and after, of course, seeing that the numbers have come down considerably compared to the last 2 to 3 weeks, we have, of course, opened up a number of activities. So we want more of such activities to be opened up, and at the same time, so that normalcy can return. But at the same time, we are also trying to streamline some of the small areas where some confusions were there in regards to the protocols that have been issued by the health department or by the political or by the DC. So those matters were discussed. So those are micro details. I think the Deputy Commissioner and Chief Secretary's office, once the notifications comes out, those details will be available there.